Hi children, it's Morah Nechama. We're learning about the new season of spring, where the sun is shining and there's buds in the trees and the flowers are blossoming. And we're seeing that the weather is changing, right? We go from winter to the spring. So first it's really, really cold and the weather changes into nice days, warm days, the sun is coming out, the days are getting longer. And I have my weather chart where we always look at the sun and the clouds and the rain. So we're gonna make our very own weather cup, and you can turn it to see what the weather is. So we need 2 cups, 2 clear cups if you have. You can use bigger ones, smaller ones, 2 cups, some markers, and if you don't have markers, you can use crayons, anything to color with. So we're gonna have the one that goes on top. You're gonna make a black square. Let me find my black marker. And in the middle of the cup, you're going to draw a black square. Just like that. So that it's gonna go on top and you're gonna get to turn it. Now, you're gonna put that on the side and you're gonna take your bottom cup and you're gonna draw different weather. So some days in the spring, we have the sun, right? And what color is the sun? It's yellow. So I'm gonna use a yellow marker and I'm gonna make, in the middle of my cup, a circle and some lines so it shows that it's shining. That's my sun. And then there are some days where it's sunny, the sun is out, but it's a little dark, it's a little cloudy. So I'm going to turn my cup a little bit, and right next to it, I'm going to make another sun. That's yellow with some lines. See, it's next to it. But I'm also going to draw clouds. So I don't think the white marker would show up. So I think I'm going to use a gray marker. Let me see if I can find, oh, there's my gray marker. And I'm gonna draw a cloud on top of, oh, you can't see it so well. So I'm gonna use a darker color, maybe purple. Even though clouds are usually white, but we can use our imagination. So you can see that better. I have my cloud on top of my sun. See? And then some days it rains, right? In April, sometimes it rains. So we can draw next to the sun, we can draw more clouds. I can use blue this time for my clouds, whatever color you want. See my clouds, and I'm going to draw raindrops coming down. See, that's my rain clouds. And then for my last one, so sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's cloudy and sunny, sometimes it's just sunny, and sometimes a rainbow comes out, right? After it rains, maybe the sun will come out. So we can make a rainbow, right? And you guys know how a rainbow looks. We use all the colors. Red. And, close the marker. Orange. And yellow. And green. And blue I'm going to use. I'm going to use my darker blue. Purple. I think I'm going to add pink to it because I like pink. So I'm gonna do purple and pink. And now, whenever anybody asks you what the weather is outside, you look out your window, you put your cup on top of it, and you can say what the weather is. So if there's a rainbow outside, if you see a rainbow, you can turn it to a rainbow. If it's raining, you could turn it to your clouds. If it's cloudy and sunny, you can turn it to that part of the cup. And if it's sunny, you could turn it to your sun, and it shows what the weather is. And if you know how to write already, you can write weather on top. But if you need a little help, maybe your mommy can write it. On top of your second cup, you can write weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, question mark, because we're asking, what's the weather? And there you have your weather cup. And you can tell everybody what the weather is. I hope you enjoyed.